Alright, hello everybody, my name is Bill, this is SixRounds Studio. It's been a couple weeks since I've posted a video, and I wanted to take just a quick video to tell you what's been up and what I've been doing. Now, for the last couple weeks, I've actually been on vacation. I've taken some time off, got in the car and I traveled south. I went down to visit a buddy of mine, Jeff Ford. I've talked about him before. Jeff runs Auto Restamod, the YouTube channel Auto Restamod. Jeff is having his 60th birthday, and Lynn and I went down to celebrate that with him. So the point of the vacation was a little bit more than just visiting Jeff. The point of the vacation was actually to be an automobile-related vacation. So our first stop was Hershey, Pennsylvania. Now in Hershey is known not only for chocolates, which we spent some time with the chocolates, the chocolate factory. We did all of that Hershey chocolate thing. That was a lot of fun. But we also, because Hershey's also known for its car culture, some of the biggest Northeast car shows, car events happen either in Hershey or Carlisle. Now Hershey is roughly halfway the distance between New Hampshire and South Carolina. So on the way down, we did the AACA library. What a fantastic institution. They had a few show winners on the floor, and then upstairs is the library itself. My God, the amount of information. What a phenomenal collection of books and pamphlets and materials. The library itself is state-of-the-art with both temperature and humidity controls. It was just a stunning place. The people who worked there and managed the place were just marvelous. They were more than willing to answer my questions and help me find some of the information that I was looking for. One of the things that I really am very passionate about is my old Jeeps. So they had a great collection of both books and other information available in the library. They were more than helpful helping me to get some of that information. From there, we headed further south down to South Carolina. Spent the weekend with Jeff. Got to meet, talk with, have a couple drinks with Rick Schmidt. Rick and his family own NPD, or National Parts Depot, one of the major suppliers of classic automobile parts for restoration. What a fantastic individual Rick was. From there, we went to a Cars and Coffee in downtown Aiken, South Carolina. Looked at what all the local car clubs, car collectors, car restorers are doing. Got to see a really nice 1947 CJ2A that the guy had owned it since he was in college. 50 years, been doing this ongoing rolling restoration. Guy was really proud of that. While we were at Jeff's, I participated in a roundtable discussion with 4 other YouTubers, and we talked about what it was like being a YouTuber. We talked about the highs and the lows and the work involved being a YouTuber, and we also talked about what the future, what we think the future might be, both for the platform and for us as YouTubers. It was a great discussion. Jeff actually filmed that, and he's going to put that up on his channel. When that gets uploaded, I'll put a link to that on my channel, on my community page, and I'll also put a couple links on both of my Instagram pages, Rust to Resurrection and SixRounds Studio. So if you're interested in watching that discussion, it was lively, it was fun. You can go check out Jeff's channel when that goes live. Now, after South Carolina, we headed over to Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, to Dollywood. Dollywood is not a place that I would normally go to seek out, but by the way, I'm also a guitar builder and a musician. You all know that, so I love music. So we went over to check out the live music where we could. And my wife and I, Lynn and I, also, we rode 2 roller coasters. Okay, I love roller coasters. It's had some great meals at some great restaurants. So Dollywood, Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, recommended. Oh, by the way, this was an automobile trip. Dollywood has a huge collection of cars and trucks scattered throughout the entire park. So that was interesting as well. Following Dollywood, we headed back north, and again, because Hershey is roughly halfway, After a 10-hour drive, we got back to Hershey, and the next morning we went to the AACA Antique Auto Club of America Museum. Over 200 cars. Again, the collection was fantastic. The amount of cars that they had, both from the earliest up to some of the more modern cars that we're all used to, like the muscle cars that we're all accustomed to in our age group. The collection was phenomenal. The quality of the collection was phenomenal. And just like the library, the staff at the museum was phenomenal. They were warm, they were willing to help. The docents were more than willing to share everything that they knew. It was a fantastic time. It was a fantastic museum. Again, get to Hershey. If you're into automobiles, get to Hershey. Visit these two locations. You'll enjoy the collections. You'll enjoy the contact with such great looking or great classic cars. So, not willing to let a great opportunity go by, I did take a few short videos and photos. And over on my other channel, Rust to Resurrection, I am going to upload 2 or 3 short videos about both the library and the museum. So if you're interested in that, head on over to Rust to Resurrection, sign up for the channel, and those videos will be coming as well. Now here on 6Rounds Studio, we are back. We're back in the shop. We're back in the studio. We're back to working. We're working both on the 2 Telecaster guitars, and I've also back working on the Stevens favorite. So if you're one of my regulars, please don't go anywhere, stick around. Those videos are coming. If you're new to the channel, first time here, please consider subscribing. All of you, give it a thumbs up, make a comment if you wish. It all helps the YouTube algorithms recognize the channel as something worth watching. I appreciate all of you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.